Question: do you know why Yamaha pumps cavitate? The Yamaha pump is actually a very efficient pump. Stator is a very strong stator. It's a true 160 millimeter pump because it finally changed the transom plate. Most people have found the greatest changes need to be first impeller pitch and tune, because what's happening is Yamaha's tune is giving that engine all the onions right out of the gate. Yamaha's tune is just giving it a full punch in the mouth right out. You grab throttle, it just goes ha and nails. All right. Launch control should have had an effect on the actual on the timing curve. It should have. It doesn't, because true launch control, like with the motorcycles, actually registers. It registers if a dirt bike is spinning. It registers that the ski is spinning its tires, but it's not moving. So it actually eases back and goes, okay, we got a Kawasaki's launch control on their dirt bikes, Yamaha's launch control on their dirt bikes. Same story. For Watercraft, they just lower the trim. Just goes, okay, that's launch control. That's a lazy answer to the problem. So you find a lot of times that the guys who are doing really well with launching Yamaha out of the hole, the initial pitch of the outside edge or leading edge has to be tweaked, and tweak a little bit with the tune, and that's going to be the big thing. All right. But the big catch is that the Yamaha is just taking full punch of the throttle right out of the gate. And so it's spinning its tires. It's doing a burnout. That's your cavitation. Cavitation is a burnout. Hope that answers your question.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.